Isn't it time to revitalize your home? Why not update the decorations to suit your new and improved lifestyle? Or do you want to feel more zen at home as it reflects more of your personality? Then definitely you're not the only one. Many homeowners find themselves facing the challenge of dealing with outdated decor or feeling the oomph depleted from the living rooms as they no longer fit their needs. That's why we at Tant Contractors enjoy removing the frustration of having to live in a home that doesn't align with your vision, vibe, or your personality, and transforming that into a place you will be proud to call home again and invite friends and family to. So whether it's an outdated kitchen or redesigning a cramped bathroom or bringing more life and modern functionalities into your living areas, we understand that these issues can impact your daily living and even hinder your enjoyment at your own home. It's time to make that change. Break free from these issues and rebreathe life into your home again. Imagine coming home every evening to a home that inspires and rejuvenates you. With years of experience and a commitment to quality craftsmanship, we're here to transform your home into a place you love coming back to. Call Tant Contractors on 020805888571 or visit tantcontractors.com to request a free quote and visit from our expert team.